Hello, hi YouTube. So today we came to Schloss Charlottenburg, that is in German. Schloss is palace. So basically we came to Charlottenburg Palace. I'm just going to show you the palace right away. It's actually in Charlottenburg. As you can see, the palace is right behind me, and the place is quite nice. We will go and explore the garden as well very soon. And it's about to become fall. So as you can see, the colors of the leaves are changing, and that's the beauty of staying in Europe. You can actually see the beautiful colors all around during this time of fall. I will quickly take a tour down the palace. So we just entered inside the palace ground, and as you can see from the close angle, it's quite a big palace. So we are currently in the Charlottenburg Palace garden, and as you can see, the palace is behind me. I will take a tour near the fountains, and I will post some pictures of the garden. Behind it there is a lake. There is a nice river that flows to the lake from that side. So I will just show you some glimpses and videos of it. Thank you. The whole palace is just filled with arts, beautiful artistic works of gold and many different precious metals, as well as porcelains. And Queen is so educated that he has some great artistic visualization. There is so much of history, it is very difficult to take in just one tour. You really need to know details of all of it. But everything is just marvelous, and we were amazed by the entire outlook. We were really hungry while we were finished looking at the palace, and we thought of going somewhere. So we decided to go for a nice cheesecake with some sandwich at one of the most famous places in Berlin, in Charlottenburg. It's called Der Kuchen Laden. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you, everyone.